Hey, it's your boy, Mike the Ente. I got Cinnamon Toast Crunch at the Walmart. I'm just gonna open the Pokemon cards. Gonna get the box open. Bam! Amazing. Love to see it. Okay. Wait, hold on. Is the pack in the cereal box, or is it like... Oh, okay, it's inside the box. There we go. Bam! Alright, let's see what's in here. Let's get right to the action. Like, comment, and subscribe for more no-nonsense, down-to-business PokeTubing. Just gonna set the phone down for a little bit. Hashtag black screen action. Bam! The pack is like outside of the pack wrapper. What's the... Why is there like a separate wrapper for the pack? Is it like a booster pack? Is that what's going on here? Come on. This is surprisingly hard to open. Oh, look, it's all like shiny and glossy and foily. Okay. Now, opening the pack, but for real this time. Yeah. How you... Oh, my phone's running out of storage. Pokemon card opening, part 2. Actually opening the pack, ideally. What if I set... Okay, if I do this. Bam. Alright, cool. Now, I can tear this open, ideally. Come on. It's gonna happen. It's totally gonna happen. Oh, I can see it. Alright, let's go. Alright, pack opening time. Okay. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. We got Pikachu. Bam. We got Pikachu. We got Sinistea. We got Dreepy. Thanks for watching.